So, good day everyone. I am Anil Rosati
And I'm Elamil Koyos.
And I am Teresa SKB.
and we are in Group 4. Today's video discussion we're going to present to you our research review in microeconomics, which is all about cross-price elasticity of demand for food industry in municipality of Navarre. So, these are the contents, which is authors, introduction, objectives, methodology, results, conclusion, and the lastly is critic. The authors of this research paper are Hadoko Nika, Libihan Christine Joy, Conso Jean S. Pudu Mary Joy. So for our introduction, the food industry plays a vital role in the economic well-being of any municipality, and Davao is no exception. Understanding the dynamics of consumer demand within this sector is crucial for both businesses and policymakers. This research investigates the cross-price elasticity of demand for food industry in the municipality of Davao. This study will provide valuable insights into the interconnectedness of food prices and consumer choices, ultimately contributing to a more informed and efficient food market in the municipality of Davao. So these are the objectives of the research paper. First is they have to determine the demographic profile of the consumers in terms of age, gender, civil status, monthly income. The second is estimate the responsiveness of demand for the two food systems, which is fast food and carinderia. Third, objectives is determine the cross price elasticity of two food systems. Last objectives is to determine the factors that affect price elasticity.
The variables they use is the independent variables, price elasticity of demand, and dependent variables, the price, consumers' income, and consumer demand. That is the variables they use. Variables they use. Methodology. This chapter discusses the process of data gathering for the study, which includes research description, environment, data gathering, procedure, and data analysis. Methods that the researchers use to collect, analyze, present, and discuss the results and findings of the study. Open minutes. Research design. The researcher utilized a descriptive correlational research design that facilitates the prediction and explanation of the relationship among the variables. The study uses a predictive design that attempts to predict the level of the dependent variable from the measured value of the independent variables. This is the research design. Research environment. Naval is the capital town among the 8 coastal components municipalities of the island province of Biliran. The town is predominantly Roman Catholic by religion and Cebuano speaking by its dialect. Nabal was classified second-class municipality and is the capital town of the province and manifestly the seat of the provincial government. The research respondents, the data in this study was drawn from the survey of the customers. Demand population of an estimated 36 in the carinderia industry and 270 customers in the fast food industry in just one day. That is the research respondent. Research instrument. The research instrument. This study used a survey questionnaire to gather the data that could help to meet its objectives. The questions are derived from the objectives of the variables. That is the research instrument. and methodology. The models they use is statistical treatment of data. The researcher can then interpret the cross-price elasticity of demand for the food industry in the municipality of Naval. These models are presented in equation 1, 2, and 3. This is the model 1, the model 2, and model 3. Model PAD equals change in quantity demand over change in price. C is for carinderia, F is fast food, MI is monthly, P is price, CD is consumer demand. To perform a survey of customer respondents provided by the questionnaire, the assessment of the responsiveness of demand for the two food factors, sectors rather, will be utilized as primary data. As a result, this study will calculate how responsive customer demand is. Given the variables, the estimation will be calculated using the cross-price elasticity of demand.
Those findings, the research review, the majority of the consumer were in the age group of 26 to 35 years old with a total of 50.3% and fast food and 54.5% in carinderia. This means that this age group eats out more on the two food system than the other age group and the municipality of Nevada. Most of them were male with a total of 61% in fast food and 54.5% in carinderia. In the fast food industry, the majority of the consumers were married 80%, while in the carinderia industry, most of them were single 48.5% in terms of monthly income. The majority of the respondents in the fast food industry, 53.3%, were earning a total of 6,000 to 10,000 per month. Meanwhile, most respondents in the carinderia industry, 48.5%, were earning 3,000 to 5,000 per month. The result revealed that the respondents who have higher monthly income were most likely to eat fast food than those who have lower monthly income. The conclusion, based on the indicated findings, the researchers included that factors affecting the price, consumer demands, and consumers' monthly income in the fast food industry. The reason for this is that the responsiveness of consumer demand in fast food is higher than in carinderia. Such instance in manifest since the prices of the food served to the consumers are fixed.
So for our critic, strengths of analyzing cross-price elasticity in the value food industry. First, we have relevance to local food security. Understanding how price changes in one food item impact the demand for others is crucial for ensuring food affordability and accessibility for residents of the valley. Second is informing business decisions, which means local food business can use their information to make strategic pricing decisions and adjust their product offerings to meet changing consumer preferences. The lastly is understanding local market dynamics. This means this analysis provides valuable insights into the relationships between different food items and consumers respond to price changes within the specific context of the valley. This can help policymakers and researchers better understand the local food economy and develop target interventions. Thank you.